Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to order KFC online using an app. Alright, if you're lucky enough and your country have a KFC app, just go ahead and use this once right here. Alright, here are some available countries that has the KFC app. Philippines, Barbados, UAE, Qatar, RD, Oman, and many more. Now if you don't have this, well, just go ahead and look for Uber Eats. Alright, and download this app. Once you have it downloaded, just go ahead and open up the app and log in. All right, make sure that you log in. The first time you open up the app, it will automatically prompt you to log in or sign up. Just go ahead and follow that and make sure to put the correct address. All right, now once you have it all set up, just go ahead and go to the home screen of the Uber Eats app and use the search bar right here and look for KFC and enter. All right, as you can see here, most KFCs is not available right here as of the moment, as it will be available at 10:45 a.m. So what we're gonna do basically, if it's opened right here, just go ahead and tap on it. All right. By the way, these results right here will be the closest to your location. All right, and the location will also be shown here. All right, so 700 East and Boulevard South, and one's from Hudson Road. All right, so for example, this one right here, we're going to tap on it. All right, it will prompt you if the store is closed. The store is closed right now, but you can schedule an order for it later. All right, so let's go ahead and schedule for one, and we're gonna select the time. Could be today or tomorrow. For example, today at 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. schedule. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tap or add something in my cart, like this one, 16-piece chicken meal. Tap on the plus sign and select a style, original. Select a large side, which is required, mac and cheese. Select a large side again, maybe coleslaw and gravy, mashed potatoes, and then would you like some plates included with the order? Just go ahead and tick on this checkbox right here and add some instructions if you have one in mind. Once done, just go ahead and tap on add a cart. All right, add a cart will be available in this particular area right here at the bottom. Just go ahead and tap on it and you'll be redirected to your cart. All right, as you can see here, the subtotal is $72.46. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit on continue. And it states here that you must complete your order. So if you want to add some more, if you want to add some water or any other items right here, just go ahead and click on the plus sign. But if you don't want to, just go ahead and hit on no thanks. All right, and add your payment method right here. It could be your bank account, Venmo, EBT Snap, credit or debit card, PayPal, gift card, Klarna, or the S3 Health Benefit card. All right, just go ahead and select your payment method right here, and once you have it all set up, just go ahead and hit on next and your order will be processed. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.